Hi, this is Dr. Michael Litman, and today we have decided to go with a sentence, right? How to speak like the native speakers, all right? So we will first get the demo. We will ask students like how to pronounce it out here, because this is English here. It's not a native language here. So let's see what's the variation and what's the difference, and then we will learn like how to eliminate. So it's kind of elimination. It's about the American speech. Okay, so how to speak out there, because there's a big gap when you are talking to the Americans, so it gets really harder. All right. So please, I'm going to tell you first my name, then you guys introduce yourself. This is Mike. You. Yes. 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 All right. So I just want you to speak up this sentence. Can you read this? Okay, your turn. What, Hina? Yes. All right. Hina, can you speak up this sentence?
Hey, how are you?
It's not hey, it's hi. Okay, hi.
Hi, how are you doing today?
Your turn. Yes.
Hi, how are you doing?
Yes, your turn.
Hi, how are you doing today?
How are you doing today? Yes, your turn.
Hi, how are you doing today?
Yes, your turn.
Hi, how are you doing today?
So native speakers, non-native speakers, they say hi, how are you doing today? So I will let you know how native speakers speak. Why it sounds differently, right? And when it sounds differently, we don't understand it on this particle. So I will let you know. Number one, this hi is okay. You speak when you see someone. It's a greeting sentence. When you see people, you say hi. When you say hi, you speak up from your mouth. Because in English, like if you say hi, how are you doing today? So you are making a lot of pauses here, right? You make different pauses. So pauses are not allowed in English communication. In communication, because you speak to impact, so we have to eliminate all these pauses, because if the pauses are there, so it will change the context and everything. So we have to connect it. So these are the vowels, all right? So we have to connect this. Now say, and this is, again, there's a vowel, and when Y becomes the last sound, so it becomes vowel. But now, right now, it's connected with this E, so it becomes like one word. And if you don't say, how are you, okay, you say, how are you? Everybody say, how are you?
How are you?
No, how are you?
How are you?
It's how.
How?
Sounds right. It sounds differently now, right? So now there is one more word. So you need to pronounce it in like it's a one word. In English communication, one sentence is equal to one word. So let's see, how can we make it one word, all right? The sentence will be like one word. So doing, a lot of people say doing. No, it's a doing. The G is silent. It's not important. So when you say doing, everybody say doing.
Doing.
Speak louder. Doing.
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 All right. So this is not today. You say like the sound is a reduced sound here. It's not today. It's today.
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 So you have to reduce the sound, eliminate the sound. So now, if you're connected, because in English, every word is connected with the next word like this chain. Okay. Every word is connected to the next word. So the last sounds of the word are pretty important. So you don't say hi, how are you doing today? Let's make it one sentence. One sentence, okay? How you doing?
How you doing?
So listen, how are you become like just one sound, just one word, like how are you?
How?
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 How? How are you?
How?
So now this a doing is just become like doing. How you doing?
How you doing?
How you doing?
How you doing?
In the show. You're in the show, right? Yes. Can you please come here? And now can you please look up, please get the cam on and say, how you doing?
How you doing?
It's not how are you doing. Right? It's totally changed. How you doing?
How you doing?
Can you do it? How you doing?
How you doing?
How you doing? All right. So how you doing? And now you can make a little pause here. So it's today. Today.
Today.
Today.
Today.
Okay. Now say, hi. How you doing today?
Hi, how you doing today?
Now can you speak a bit faster and louder and show? Can you say, hi. How you doing today?
Hi, how you doing today?
Good job, really awesome. Let's see, Eva. Can you do it? Hi. How you doing today?
Hi, how you doing today?
Eva, she's all right.
Hi, how you doing today?
Hi. How you doing today?
Hi, how you doing today?
Beautiful. Your turn.
Hi, how you doing today?
Oh my God. Wow. Yes, your turn.
Hi, how you doing today?
Oh my God. Just give a round of applause to yourself. They are really proud of people. Just, oh my God. You really blew my mind. All right. So can we speak up and look up there and everybody say, hi. How you doing today?
Hi, how you doing today?
So we are asking people. It's a greeting. Okay. Say again. Hi. How you doing today?
Hi, how you doing today?
Doing today.
Doing today.
Hi. How you doing today?
Hi, how you doing today?
So really appreciate you for recording this podcast. So we are coming up with the billions of more sentences like this. All right. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. All right. So we will record.